Concurrent viewers. Wow, that's two. There's two concurrent viewers. Hi, welcome. Hi, 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 hi. So today what I'm gonna do is set reminder. Oh, okay. That's so cool. So I'm live right now. Okay, cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, so today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually make a link tree. What do you call that? I'm gonna make a link tree clone using Flutter. It's because one thing that I faced when I was doing link tree, right, is that you aren't able to go to the app if you want to go to, you know. So let me share. Yeah, I'm gonna add another one. So for you guys who don't know what Linktree is, so an example is, let me go to. So Linktree is basically, oh, so Linktree is basically like a lead generation page where you're able to go to some of your, stuff after people go to your profile and such. And please check the video resolution, the current resolution. Okay, cool story, bro. Yep. So, oh my god, it's so cool. Now it's burning up. Hi, you can see my face. I'm in the dark. Alright, so Linktree is basically a web app that allows you to create custom buttons when you go to somebody's Instagram profile. So it's a lead funnel kind of thing, which is pretty good. So some of my friends use it. I use it. But one thing that I realized is that if you go to the link or the buttons, right, then it actually do not go to your, what do you call that? Doesn't go to the actual app. So for example, if you create a button, right? Let me see if I can click. They only have that one landing page. Come on, man, just give me that whole feature that I need. Give me that feature that I need. Where is it? Okay, so for example, right, you have this link tree, and then after that, if you click, for example, this is a YouTube channel link, right? It will not go to the YouTube app. So it was pretty annoying. And what I did was, for me, I did was happyparis.com/welcome. If I'm not wrong, what is for. So what I did was a very simple website using what do you call that? I'm using the WordPress, and this is just a very simple like drag and drop kind of interface which allows you to go to the app. So for example, should I quit my job is a YouTube video link. So if you click on this, right, it will actually go to your app instead of you it redirecting to your current. So that's the thing about Linktree. It doesn't redirect you to the app that you want. So, for example, podcast deals will redirect me to Spotify, YouTube, Medium, and LinkedIn. So, if I have all of these apps in my phone, this I'm able to go to the app itself. But Linktree does not allow me to do that, so it's pretty annoying. Oh well. So the thing is now I'm gonna make a Flutter app using that, and I'm just doing this because I'm just waiting for 10 p.m. like Flutter. So there's this thing called Flutter Interact. It's Flutter Interact, yep. So I'm waiting for 10 p.m. to come, and yeah, Flutter Interact, it's pretty cool. It is just like a web stream of the upcoming Flutter talk. Yeah, I'm a fan of Flutter. Yeah, boy. Yes, okay, now it's 9 p.m. So usually sleep around at 10. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I'm live streaming a Flutter project that I'm gonna do. Basically, I'm doing a linktree clone. So I'm gonna code a linktree clone out of Flutter. It's pretty cool. I'm using OBS and I'm using YouTube Live, and it's pretty cool. So go to YouTube and see me. Come on, man, make that one view increase, huh? Thanks, one viewer. Say something. Hi. Okay, so yeah, I'm waiting for like Flutter Interact to come. So it's like 10 a.m., which is 10 p.m. Singapore time, right? So I'm just waiting for it to happen. Flutter is basically a mobile framework that allows you to use one code base to develop iOS and Android. Now they are gonna do it for web, and after that they're gonna do it for other stuff, which is pretty cool. And a lot of people like it because of the developer tools, which I think is pretty impressive. Right. So this is like the what do you call that? Laggy, click me. So you have this fluid animation that is all on the web. It's pretty cool. It's built on Flutter web, so it's just one code base and you can do it all. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Nice. Fibonacci, run it. So yeah, Fibonacci is a pretty cool, interesting mathematical kind of stuff. And counter app is the one that comes out when you build a car. Yeah. Oh, can't add. Oh, why was it? That's interesting. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Oh my god. Somebody going out? It's too late. So I was playing around with draggable list, reorderable list, I mean. Oh god. So I can't do this. See? Why can't I import? So this is like my demo here where I'm so I it's a pretty simple thing that you can do now. Yep. So yeah, pretty cool, right? So I wanted to like download YouTube inside the iPhone simulator, but I think you're not allowed due to many restrictions. I suppose I'm not too sure about it. But I think with Android Simulator, you can download the app through the Google Play Store, which is pretty good. But Apple has its own like securities. So oh well, yeah. So I wanted to like do a preview page where you can change your face, and then at the same time change your what do you call this the text here. So I think yeah, I think so. It's just me doing stuff, right? So this is something you guys see. Yep, yep. Great thing about Flutter is that it's like so good to do stuff. An example is that okay. So this is like Flutter itself. What you can do is you can extract this as a widget, meaning that it does this thing for you. Let me check. This is, I'll say, camera preview, and ta-da! It helps you to move the code to make your code so much simpler. Now you could see that it is just so much readable when you look at this top level widget. So this is like the parent widget, and all of these are the children widget. So you have the camera preview, you have the text, you have the size box. It's so readable, I like it. Oh my god. So this camera preview has like a stack meaning like, like Z index or something that allows you to, stack things up. So I have a button and I have the image itself. So you have this, man. Right, so cool. Oh my god. Okay. Do I look so much better now? Right. Oh, gee. Okay, so what I want to do is actually I want to put this on the web. So I have to, Google, YouTube, how to put myself on the web. Amazing. One watching Flutter live coding. I'm probably am the one who's look at it. Yes. Okay. So no, I can go to the documentation. Flutter web, Flutter web. Yeah. The web application. So okay. What I need to do is channel dev, Flutter, short that. Cool. So let me create this first. Then one is Flutter channel dev. Okay. Dev. So it's basically switching to dev. Switch to new branch to dev. Okay. Then after that, Flutter upgrade. Technically, I can copy everything. Yahoo. Yahoo. Never mind. Just do. Just do. Let's see who is viewing me. Stream health. Please check the video resolution, which is on. Stream status is not excellent. It's good. So more info. Please check the video resolution. The current resolution is 860, which is not optimal. So I have to go here. Settings. So my video is. Oh, okay. Please turn off. Okay, I will turn off. What is studio mode? Okay, so. No dict. So what's optimal? I have no idea. I have no idea. In the meantime, while it's upgrading itself, Firebase, myself, blah blah blah. So you have to run create dot. What's create? Enable web support, so basically it overrides or add or updates into Flutter settings if you have this Flutter config enable web. Do you have to be in dev? Probably, because I have no idea. Flutter create. To add web support to an existing project, run the following command at terminal from the top of the project package. Create a new app with web support. Run the web app. Generate release build. Cool, cool, cool. So it's still building Flutter 2. Yikes. 1.12. Hey, wow, what is this? So, what is it? Flutter 2 users go into an last minute report. Blah, blah, blah. Basically, it checks. I mean, I'm okay. Building engine. Ooh, scary. Flutter web. Dot language. So samples are tutorials, language samples, the world, variable, control flow statements. It looks like this. I'm so used to doing this. Integer, wow, year, it's less than 2016, do that. Function, so like this, so you can do this int function, so you know that it returns. Shorthand arrow where syntax handy function contains single statement. Right, yes. Commands, normal. I love this feature. This is so good. Just using tree. Like if you want to do documentation in JavaScript, I tell you, I couldn't understand why they do it. They have to do that. Just by adding another stroke, oh my god, it just helps you make you much more of a documentation kind of person. Yeah, is I guess I'm just complaining, but damn, this additional slash that Dart is able to recognize that this is a documentation command. It helps a lot. So an example, let me show you an example, right? An example is if you want to have a camera preview and then you want to add documentation comments, what you could do is say widget that it is a widget. So how do they wait? Let me see how they create a feed. Create a camera widget that allows you to edit. This comprises of a button which will open up the you see, and when you enter it gives you another line of documentation slash, which is perfect. The camera function. What else do I do? Yeah, that's it. Right. Okay. Ready? Hey. Let me see size box documentation. Where did they put this? Probably it's inside. Is it? Size box. A box with specific size. Compound. You can see create a camera widget that allows you to edit the current profile. File picture. Okay, right. So you could see the documentation is already created here, which is great due to VS Code and Dart developer tools. Okay, why is it like that? Why is it like that? It's the same. It's a bit weird. New camera preview. Extreme key. Yeah, no idea why, but yeah, I mean it's pretty cool. And then there's these additional things, which is pretty cool, and it's all inside the Flutter extension inside VS Code. which I think is pretty cool also. And yeah, that's the thing that I like about it. So yeah, I want to. Oh my god, it takes so long. Let's end the stream. Yes. Ooh, stream settings. It's cool.